kids, welcome back. Hello, Joey, Nathan, Addie, Stephen, Brody, Ryder, Amy, Mary, Chris, Sailor, Juniper, Jack, Teddy, Noah, Scotty, Seymour, Millie, Priest, Reagan, Henry, Annabelle, Sawyer, and Gabrielle. Miss you guys. Today, our read aloud is a little bit different because it is a book that is non-fiction. Does anybody remember what non-fiction means? Non-fiction means that it's not fake. That means the book is real. It has information and facts. It doesn't have characters or make-believe elements to it. So, the book I have today is very pretty. It's called Lovely Beasts, The Surprising Truth. And on the inside of the cover it says, "This captivating book invites you to look beyond your first impressions of these awe-inspiring animals in the wild. After all, it's best not to judge a beast until you understand its full, lovely life." So you might think an animal is one way, but you might be surprised to learn that there are other sides to it. So let's begin. Fierce. Papa. Fierce Papa. As the world's largest primate, gorillas can be surprisingly gentle. They build soft nests for their babies to sleep in at night, groom one another as a way to maintain relationships, and like taking naps. Aww. Creepy. Crafter. Creepy crafter. There are more than 40,000 known species of spiders, and all are amazing creatures with many superhero-like qualities, including the ability to spin intricate webs. While a spider's web can look as fragile and delicate as a snowflake, it's incredibly strong. For its weight, a spider silk is stronger than steel. Wow. Tough, but vulnerable. Ooh, that's a big word, kindergartners. Rhinoceroses might look like nothing can hurt them, but their populations hover close to extinction due to human hunters and loss of land to buildings and development. Sadly, there are no known northern white rhinos left in the wild at all, and the ones in captivity in Kenya number is just 2. Their names are Fatu and Najin. Fanged friend. Fanged friend. Stories such as Little Red Riding Hood and the 3 Little Pigs present wolves as big, bad, and scary. The reality is that wolves are highly social animals who live, play, and hunt in tight-knit packs or families of up to 15 members. While their nighttime howls may send shivers down your spine, it's just their way of talking with one another and saying, "Hey, I'm over here." Prickly, but gentle. Aww. When threatened by a predator, porcupines can raise their needle-sharp quills as a reminder that they are not a good or easy meal. It is a myth that they can shoot their quills, though they dislodge easily if someone gets too close. Left alone, they are just shy herbivores who eat leaves, flowers, and berries. Aww. Buzzing. Busy workers. Buzzing busy workers. Bees don't want to sting you. In fact, honeybees die after they use their stingers. They'd rather focus on what they do best, making delicious honey. If they do sting you, it's likely because they want to keep you away from their hive and hard work. After all, bees have to visit more than 2 million flowers just to make 1 pound of honey. Slimy. Genius. Interesting. With 8 suckered arms, a beak, blue hood, and 3 hearts, octopuses might seem like aliens, but they are also playful, intelligent, and strong. One of their many tricks is to camouflage themselves in their environment, both with color and texture, as a way to hide from predators. Can you spot the octopus? Ugly caretaker. Ugly caretaker. With over 1,000 species, some bats might be considered cuter than others. Regardless of looks, many bats play an important role in the environment by controlling insect populations, eating as many as 8,000 mosquitoes at night. I love that. Flying fox bats help to replant forests. Certain seeds won't sprout until they're first eaten, digested, and excreted. That means pooped. By bats, while fruit-eating bats disperse pollen when it clings to their fur during nighttime foraging. Much of the tropical rainforest wouldn't exist without the bats' help. I love that they eat mosquitoes. Sharp-toothed guardian. Sharp-toothed guardian. Sharks, especially great white sharks, are almost universally feared. But sharks are not the man-eaters movies and stories have made them out to be. Your chances of being killed by a shark are 1 in 37 million, while the reverse odds are not in a shark's favor. Each year, humans kill 100 million sharks worldwide. Sharks are at the top of the food chain and help maintain the health and biodiversity of our oceans. Without them, the entire marine ecosystem would collapse. No killing sharks. Bigger, biggest, leaders. Wow. With their great size, speed, and strength, these proud mamas are rare examples of matriarchy in the animal kingdom. That means that female hyenas, lionesses, and elephants are the head of their families. Female hyenas are 10% bigger than males and are at the top of the social ladder of their clans, while lionesses do all of the hunting and provide meals for their pride. Elephant herds are led by the oldest and biggest female, who carefully watches over everyone. Wow. Giant or small, wondrous and strange, beautiful, lovely beasts. The end. I love that nonfiction book. It really makes me think about how important animals are, and it makes me change my mind about animals that I was kind of afraid of or didn't really like, because they have important jobs. So if you guys would like, you can do a little bit of research about an animal that you've been curious about, and you can draw a picture or write about it or read some books about it. I found out that otters hold hands while they sleep so that they don't drift apart. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this story. It's a good one. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon.